This is problem 6.12 from Brigham and Houston's Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition. Here we're being asked to decompose a couple of different interest rates and figure out what the difference in the maturity risk premium is. So we got an investor in Treasury securities expects inflation to be 2.1% in year 1, 2.7% in year 2, 3.65% forevermore. We're given a real risk-free rate and told that that's going to remain constant over time. 3-year treasuries are yielded 5.2, 5-year treasuries are 6. Okay, so 3-year treasuries have a nominal rate of 5.2%. 5-year treasuries have a nominal rate of 6%. The real risk-free rate's the same for both of them. It has nothing to do with it maturity. It has to do just with enticing you to lend your money. So it's 1.95% for both of them. We have to calculate an inflation premium. So if I go over here, and that's year and inflation, and then calculate the average over these two periods of time. Alright, so year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The inflation rate is 2.1% this first year, 2.7% in year 2, 3.65% forevermore after that. So to get the inflation premium for a 3-year treasury, I take the average inflation over the next 3 years. To get the average inflation for a 5-year, I take the average over the next 5 years. And we remember that there is zero liquidity and zero default risk on all of these. Okay, so whatever the rate is here, if I sum up the component pieces I got so far, it's 4.77. So 5.2 minus 4.77 give me a circular reference. I'll just do it manually. That gives me a maturity risk premium of 0.43%. This comes to 5.1%. So this minus this tells me the maturity risk premium is 0.9. And then we're looking at the difference in the two. And again, the difference in the maturity or the real risk-free rate is 0. We see that there's a 0.33% difference in inflation, a 47 basis point difference in maturity risk. The difference between these is 0. So the grand total of 80 basis points different has to be 0.33 here and 0.47 here, and that's what it's asking us is the difference in the two maturity risk premiums. It's asked us to solve for that number.